Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Nautique G25. This is going to be a really cool color setup to this, all white exterior. Gives it a really nice, sharp, classic look. Coming back here, we're going to have the Admiral Blue with the Mystic White on the tower, and we've got that nice Admiral Blue metal flake accent in the rear. It's a really sharp setup that wraps around the back. Then we're going to have it tied in with the Mystic White platform back here. And then we're going to go into, our mocha interior with our tan sea decking. This boat has the optional ladder on the rear, as well as underwater lighting and our steer assist, all coupled with the standard features of the surf pipe and our Nautique surf system. Let's take a look at the interior features on this boat. All right, so now as we step on the back of the boat here, we're going to see we have these nice built-in rear seating spots. We have a cooler in the rear here, giving you nice storage in the back, be able to put all your drinks and everything in here, so when you're out hanging out with your friends on the lake for the day, you've got a good spot to tuck away some of your drinks. Stereo controls on the rear as well as at the helm, so you're going to be able to change your sound, your tunes, right as you're getting in the water, or if you're just hanging out on the back of the boat. The sun pad back here pops open. We have tons of storage in the rear of this boat. All Nautiques are going to have that subfloor ballast to them, so you've got nice big open caverns for tucking away all of your boards, all of your gear. Really nice setup that Nautique has. Another signature item that they have is their walkthrough. So as you get on and off of the boat, you're out playing for the day, you're surfing and hanging out with your friends, you have a nice walkway in and out. You don't have to step across any of your interiors as you're getting on and off the boat or getting ready to go ride. Now as we come into the boat here, you'll see the interior. We're going to have a really nice color layout, all set up with the white and Admiral Blue accenting, strapless board racks, JL premium audio throughout the boat. This is going to have our tower mounted bimini on here as well. Looking up through here, all digital dash, that panoramic display. Everything on here is really well done. This does have the bow filler cushion as well, so this is going to be set up so you can flip that cushion over and it turns into a walkway, so you've got ease of access, getting your guests and friends on and off, just picking them up at the dock or dropping them off at the dock without having to tie up. So really nice setup. When you come through the helm, everything is nicely laid out. Sport inspired driver's seat. Dash is always right there, easily visible. Your view through the windshield is unmatched. So when you're actually out there and you're surfing, you can sit in the chair comfortably and be able to look out and see everything that's in front of you. All of your controls right at the touch of a finger or right on the dash. You can do both all by the touch of a button. Give us a call at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Come check out a brand new Nautique G25.